Hi again to my channel. This is a quick unboxing. It may look a bit late. Yes, it's the Tanya Burr 12 Days of Christmas. Now, this is an unboxing from, I got this from the sale on Feel Unique, and it was a bargain price of £5. Now, so this unboxing is more for the items inside rather than the fact that it is the 12 Days of Christmas. Now, I've got a willing assistant, so I've got Calvin here again.
Hi.
So he'll be here for swatching as well as if I have problems with any of the doors or anything like that. So partly for a bit of fun, partly for a bit of different skin tones, and just a bit of fun. So, door one. Now, I've heard these doors are really quite hard indeed, and they are. A bit of nail varnish. How's your nails?
Very well, thank you.
Can I borrow a nail?
You may. Or for the camera, eh?
No. It's actually a really nice colour. Now, it's not a perfect. It's not a perfect manicure or pedicure, manicure, but as you can see, it's a really beautiful colour. There we go. So that's that one. So that one's called. What one's that?
That suits me fine, I don't know.
That one's called Festive Red. Okay, the festive season may be over, but Calvin's living the festive spirit right now. Right, number two. There I'll be, number two.
Can you tell me there's one for every day of the finger?
I don't think there's that many. This one is a lipstick.
Can you tell you try that on next?
I think I'll put that on the back of your hand, you're alright. If I can get it out. Oh goodness gracious me. There we go. So this one, I guess, is... Would it suit that one, do you think? What do you reckon? That's a nice colour. That is actually... And it smells really sweet and nice. What do you reckon?
I don't need that on my nose, thank you.
You didn't get it on your nose, you're all right. So that's actually quite a nice pair. You could actually wear those together quite nicely. They wouldn't look too out of place. Number three. Can you see number three? Ah, yeah. I think this is an eyeliner. Yes, an eyeliner. If you want to put your hand down, my darling. So it's very delicate. So it's not too overpowering. It's very delicate. So it's more like a topper than actually full in your face. Eyelining. Okay. Next one. Gosh, I'm glad I didn't get the nails done, which is what I was going to do for today. They would have been had. Getting the doors off. This one is called, I can't actually see on there, but it's a very pretty one.
For nails.
For nails. Can I have your hand the other way around so it makes my life a bit easier? Thank you. Should I do it over? Very glittery. So this is like a topper. Now this is sort of one that I do on a sponge and make it more, if it was to build the glitter up a bit more. But that's very pretty.
Very
Very
nice.
pretty on you, my darling.
Thank you.
Number 5. I don't think you've ever had nail varnish on before, have you, sir?
No.
Oh, another lip. Let's have a look.
I
Put
should
your
be
hand
asking
there.
for your outfits for the weekend at this rate.
I don't think they fit you, but you can try. So there you go. That's a pretty colour. And that colour is, has it got a name of that colour? That colour is called Pink Fondant. So what, we're on 6 now. So here. So this one's, I think, is another eyeliner. Let's have a look. Yes. So this is the silver. So once again, it's more like a topper, just to kind of give it a little bit of something special. So there you go. Nice and silver. So you have a gold one and a silver one. There you go. So where are we? We're 6, 7. Oh yes. This is a glitter. Don't worry, I won't ask to put glitter on you, my darling. So I don't know if you'll be able to see the glitter. Let me see if I can make it sparkle. No, it's not gonna. Let's see what's. Oh, just a little too much, really, but never mind. I'll put that back on for a second, just for my sanity's sake, because I know what's going to happen if I leave that off. So I don't know if you can, if I move that around, you can see the shine. Here it's like iridescent, shiny white, beautiful, pretty. It's like looking at snow. Okay. 7, I'm going to put it on to 8. So this one is quite a big one. This one a mirror, and it's got a little protector on it, so I'll leave that on there. So a little handbag mirror. It's quite handy to have. So there we go. 9's there. Excuse the way I'm trying to open the doors. It's very hard to open the doors. Oh, ooh! Have a look. It's probably a good thing that you're not seeing my expressions on my face right now, trying to open these doors with my tongue hanging out and everything else. It's not my best angles.
Would you like my hand?
I would love your hand. Now, this I would call a lip topper, rather than actually a lip itself, unless you want to wear something subtle with just something pretty. So I would say if you put it over the top of the others, just to give it something. Oh, maybe I'm ruining the thing. There you go. Maybe over a matte lipstick. That would be very lovely over a matte lipstick. I've got a matte lipstick very similar to the fondant, and I think that would be absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Yeah, that would be absolutely stunning over that. And maybe I'll have the courage to show my face, and I will do a look. Or if I get enough comments below, my husband is maybe will be persuaded to be maybe made up in makeup if I can get enough subscribers and enough comments or enough likes. My husband might be willing or persuaded.
Your guinea pig.
To be my big guinea pig for makeup.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll see what we can do. He doesn't look happy right now. I can imagine the kids' faces, when I do that to you. Right, and then we've got another glitter, and I can see me being glittery for the next week or two at this rate. Right, this one is a silver. Okay, and I'm just pulling the seal for my safety. Now, that, as you can see, is, no, I'm not sure. That's like a green. What colour would you call that?
It's got a touch of green, isn't it?
It's like greeny grey.
Yeah. It's
a pretty colour. So it kind of shows grey in one direction and green in the other direction. There you go. But it's very pretty. I like that. That's very pretty. It's not too in your face, which is quite nice. So that's 11. And the final door. Anything else I can torment you with? Another nail varnish! And a lovely gun. Oh, nearly. Right. There you go. So.
I'm ready for town.
Very fashionable. The two middle ones should be the same colour. That's the fashion right now. That's what's in. Right, so in this calendar, which was, I think, for £5, original price was about £30, which I think would be pretty fair for £30 for what you got in the calendar was pretty fair. But for £5 I think was an absolute bargain. So for that you got 3 lip glosses, 3 varnishes, 2 eyeliners, which I think are more like toppers where you put them over your eyeliner. You've got 2, they say eye pigments, but you could use those for like tattoo, you could use those for glitter tattoos or anything really, and a little mirror. So there you go. I think that, all in all, I'm pretty excited to give those a go. So thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoy what you've seen, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to see me put makeup on my husband and see a 6'6", very large built man made up full makeup, I'll do full glam, highlighter, bronzer, the works. Please do subscribe. I will do that when I get 100 subscribers. So there you go. And so please do please subscribe to my channel and like, and in the notifications press the bell. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.